You don't need flashy indicators or crazy AI tools to be profitable in trading. Sometimes, boring just works. I found a new TradingView indicator that gives accurate buy and sell signals, and combined it with a hidden filter. And the backtesting results more than surprised me. Watch the full video closely to uncover the indicator name and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's explore a new indicator that will form the foundation of our TradingView strategy. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator tracks how price changes delivery after failed attempts to push in one direction. It builds swing levels from pivots, watches for those levels to be wicked, and then checks if price delivers cleanly in the opposite direction. When the pattern satisfies the indicator's tolerance rules, it generates buy or sell signals for traders. This indicator uses an advanced three-step process to tell you when to buy and sell. Everything begins with identifying structure through swing highs or lows, which serve as potential liquidity points. Then, the indicator waits for the price to hit those levels, registering a mitigation event. If the price keeps pushing above the upper swing or falling below the lower swing, the setup is invalidated. Otherwise, in a bullish case, if we see a reversal-style candle sequence, a failed push, followed by a strong counter move, the indicator draws a change in state of delivery level, meaning this green line. But keep in mind that this level appears only when the move is strong enough to pass the tolerance ratio built into the indicator's core algorithm. The ratio compares how far the price expanded away from the failed attempt versus the counter move that followed. In a bearish scenario, we have the same logic. The price must tap or fail to break above the upper swing and then produce a strong counter move for the CISD level to appear, which is the red line right here. And there's one more step. To generate valid signals, the CISD should align with recent mitigations. With that, when a green CISD level forms after liquidity is swept at the bottom, the indicator prints a green label, which is a buy signal, and boom, look how dramatically the price rallied afterward. On the flip side, when a red CISD level is formed following a liquidity sweep along the top, the indicator prints a red label. So that we open a short trade, voila, the indicator caught the entire bearish reversal, delivering great profits. And here comes the part you all like the most. To add this game-changing indicator, go to the indicator menu. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Search for change in state of delivery and choose this one from the list. Want to level up your trading? Meet quantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. While some of you may feel tempted to start taking trades immediately after adding the indicator, that's not the best idea. That's because you'll eventually get trapped in a ranging market filled with false signals, and that's never good for your account. Time to reveal the real secret. Unlike fake YouTubers who throw out random settings, we spend hours finding the optimal settings for our tested asset and time frame and identifying a trading filter that actually works. That said, open the inputs menu. We've got plenty to cover here, so pay close attention. First, we have the noise filter, which determines which levels will be used as CISD triggers. A higher value reduces noise and works better on lower time frames, while a lower setting does the opposite. For the 15-minute time frame, we lowered the parameter to 0.1. Moving on, there's the swing period, which defines how swing points are identified, and a higher setting will capture longer-term swings. Change the value to 11. Then we're working with expiry bars, which define how many bars it takes before old liquidity lines stop updating. Adjust it to 70, meaning it will use 70 bars. Finally, we have the liquidity lookback, which controls how strict the sweep confirmation is. Set the value to 8. Half the work is done, so now we can add a secret filter to take the strategy to the next level. The confirmation we used is a robust trend analysis tool that combines traditional market oscillators with advanced normalization techniques, intricate mathematical algorithms, and Arnaud-Legoux smoothing. Unlike outdated single-purpose indicators, this one combines momentum, volatility, and trend strength into one unified framework. So, to confirm a buy signal from the CISD indicator, the alta area must be green and sitting below the 0.7 level. On the other hand, to validate a short trade entry from the CISD indicator, the alta area should be colored red, with the main line staying above the minus 0.7 line. And just like that, this powerful trading filter eliminated all those bad entries. To apply this must-have indicator, open the Indicators tab, type in Trend Aggregator, and click on the one displayed here. In the Inputs menu, change the ATR to 1, the RSI length to 57, the BB length to 22, the K length to 23, and the MACD length to 28. Here are examples of long and short trades using our recommended risk management rules. With a stop loss set slightly below or above the latest swing low or high, and take profit levels placed at a 1.5 to 1 RR ratio. To evaluate the strategy performance, we'll use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our own breakthrough that provides backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in under a minute. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals, and your backtesting report is ready. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. We're looking at the preliminary Ethereum results on the 15-minute time frame. Using only the CISD indicator with its optimized settings, what we're seeing is a really good win rate of around 60%, and more importantly, an amazing net profit of 419%. But what we're not happy with is the very high 43% max drawdown. Therefore, go into the Builder settings. Our filter is already integrated and pre-optimized, and activate it by clicking here. Voila, the win rate jumped to over 70%. And while the net profit is lower at around 214%, keep in mind that this came from less than 3/4 of the previous trade count, meaning the profit per trade more than doubled. Another key point is that we now have a manageable 18% max drawdown. Moving on, the strategy delivered 7 consecutive wins and only 1 consecutive losing trade. The equity curve looks excellent, and we totally beat the buy and hold strategy. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.